Step-by-step guide to installing the Apache web server. Step 1. Choose the appropriate Apache distribution. Apache is available for different operating systems. For Windows, you can use the Apache Lounge distribution. For Mac OS, you can use the built-in Apache or the Homebrew Package Manager. For Linux, you can use your package manager to install Apache. Step 2. Download the Apache distribution. Visit the official Apache website and navigate to the Download section. Select the appropriate version for your operating system and download the installation package. Step 3. Run the installation package. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the instructions provided by the installation wizard. Choose the installation directory or accept the default one. Select the components you want to install. Usually, the default selection is sufficient for most users. Step 4. Configure Apache. After the installation is complete, locate the Apache configuration files. On Windows, it is typically found in the installation directory. It may vary depending on the distribution. Open the configuration file in a text editor. Step 5. Adjust the configuration settings. Inside the configuration file, you can modify various settings according to your requirements. For most users, the default settings are sufficient to get started. If you want to change the default port, find the line that starts with listen and specify the desired port number. For example, listen 8080. Save the configuration file after making any changes. Step 6. Test the installation. Start the Apache server. On Windows, you can do this by launching the Apache HTTP server application from the Start menu. On Mac OS, you can start Apache using the terminal and the command sudo apache start. On Linux, you can start Apache with the command sudo service apache 2 start or sudo systemctl start apache 2. Open a web browser and enter http:/localhost or http:/127. 0.1 inches in the address bar. If Apache is running correctly, you should see a default Apache web page or a "It works" message. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Apache web server. Step-by-step guide to installing the Apache web server. Step 1.